If you are looking for a business or a side hustle that will add to your source of income, I will advise you to start faceless content creation. What is faceless content creation? People make posts on different social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok without displaying their face. They cash out monthly. And I mean cashing out, I mean cool zeros without people seeing their face. So if you're a camera shy person or someone that just don't want to show his or her face on the social media, but you want to be making cool cash, I would advise you to hop into faceless content creation. Don't scroll. Let me teach you how to start your own faceless content creation. So guys, I came across this page on TikTok and I was amazed. If you watch what is happening here, you notice that this person is just doing faceless content creation with photos and text. She's using photo or picture and text. So I got inspired. Remember, you can do faceless content creation with video. You understand? You can use video and text. But on this page, what I'm seeing here is photo and text. So I'll be showing you how to achieve this particular faceless content creation. So first thing you should do is to open your Google Chrome, okay? Open your Chrome, then type on the search bar, type Bing image creator. Mine just popped up, okay? Bing image creator. Then tap on it. It will open up this way. So you select this particular one, image creator in Bing. You can see this one. So open it up, all right? So first thing you will do is you will type in your word here. You can see this space. You can see it, Abi. Type in the word you want there. What you want to do here is to generate the image. That is the image that will be using to represent your face. People will not know you are the one creating the content. So let me, okay, first of all, select your niche. Select a niche that is your interest, what you want to be creating. Do you want funny videos? Do you want motivational talks? Do you want cooking terms? Do you want teaching? It depends on what you want. So for me, let me just type funny video. Let me assume my niche, my interest is funny video. Okay, so what what I will type here is image of image of a beautiful African lady. I've already typed it before, so that's why it's popping up here. Image of a beautiful African lady laughing alone, because I want to create a funny content. So I will just click on create. Because I have been here before, mine just popped up. Yours, it will ask you to enter your email details. You understand, your Gmails. Just enter your details and it will create this way. So once you are done entering your Gmail details, it will pop up like this. You can see different images. So let's select this. Let's select this particular image. You can see how this looks, okay? You can do what? You can click here to download and it will enter your phone gallery. If you don't like this, you can go back, select another one. Let me select this. So it will pop up different images. Anyone that comes up and you don't like it, just go back and type again and you definitely see many other ones that will suit you. You understand me? So these are different Bings. You can see this one. So once you're done saving the image you want to use, you go over to ChatGPT, then you can type a prompt. This is the prompt I used here. I said, I need funny write-up. You understand? I need funny write-up. See what I wrote here. So I wrote, I need funny write-up, less than 30 words to create funny content. So you can write anything. Maybe you are into fashion, you are into cooking, any other thing. You can just write something here and ChatGPT will bring up things. You can see the write-ups they brought up here. So it's left for me to copy this if I want to. I will show you another way. It mustn't be only through just ChatGPT. Let me show you another way you can get funny topics. Okay, so you can go to your TikTok, see this, type on the search bar funny write-ups, because I want to create a funny content. See what someone posted. Sometimes the person you are comfortable, sometimes the person you are comfortably telling your problem is actually your problem. So you can just write this, you understand? You can write it out, the pen and paper, then later transfer it on your page. I've already searched for it. That's why this one popped up. I wrote funny memes. You can see on my search bar, I wrote funny memes, and this page popped up. So let me go to this person's page and see. This is dynamic inner. You can see This is what this person does. They just post funny content. You can just copy. You can copy. You can just write these things. Can you see? See how many likes this post have? See this one. The easiest way to know that you have become a wish is when good news hurts you and bad news makes you happy. So you can say, I think I like this. So what I will do here is I will just screenshot what I just saw here. Okay, I will just screenshot this person's page. Once I screenshot it, I'll screenshot it, okay? Then go to my notepad, write it out. Then let me show you how to create this faceless content proper. So let's start the content proper. Open your TikTok, okay? Then go to where you create content. Then you add photo, sorry. So we're working on photo. I don't know if you get me, working on photo. So what I will do is I'll go to my gallery, okay? Pick any of the memes, any of the Bing image I got. So we'll be working with this, okay? And I'll press next. Then it has, in fact, it's already on my TikTok page. You can see it. So next thing I'll be doing now is to attach that right up. So I'll go back to my notes. Remember, I had to do a screenshot, so I wrote it out. See it here. I will select all. Let me select all. Then I will cut it. Then I will minimize and go over to my TikTok. Okay, then go to this place. You can see text. You can see that text option that I selected. Then press down this way and click on paste. Can you see that right up? It has just popped up here. So you can minimize it the way you want. If you don't want it to be too big, okay, or you want it to be smaller, it depends on you. You can adjust the way you want. That's what I'm just doing. You can adjust it just the way you want. I'm okay with it this way. So let me edit this right up so it will come with border. Just press edit this way. Then select the way you want it to come up, whether it's typewriter, comic, you can select here. So let me work with bold. I like bold. Then you see this place with bar, you can see this block part. This is where you design the way you want. You can select, that's what is happening. If you click here, it will be changing. So I want mine to have white border this way, and this is it. Just bring it down so it won't close the face of the image. You understand? So next thing we'll be doing now is to add what? Is to add music. So I'll come here, select a music that I want. See, let me select Joy is Coming. So we'll just select Joy is Coming and it is up here. So watch and see what you have here. So I can just decide to press next and you know what to do. Impute other things you want to impute here and you are good to go. Guys, why not hop into this faceless content creation? Do you know after creating this on TikTok, you can post this on your Instagram, Facebook, even on YouTube. People are cashing out with this faceless content creation. So join the trend and thank me later. So guys, I believe you learned something new today. Please don't forget to give me a follow, like this video, also share to others so they'll benefit some way you just did. It's your girl Unique Nelo. See you in my next video.